This video is to help understand how to use DHI Plus health counts in the DHI Plus custom reports. There have been some new health count mnemonics developed to help you count the incident rates of DHI Plus health items. For example, the transition items that we want to count in DHI Plus would be lame, mastitis, metritis, milk fever, pneumonia, retained placenta, and with heifers we can do scours and pneumonia and lame. How do you find all of these high-risk animals that have high incident rates of disease, or in this specific cases metritis, mastitis, milk fever, and such? Well, now we have tools in DHI Plus that help you find those things. Here's an example custom report that shows the number of health count for mastitis events ranked high to low. In this report, I'm sorting by the health count mastitis, which is the HC mast mnemonic. Along with that, you can list the other items. In this case, on this example, there are a few animals that have an incident of milk fever. You can see that along with the mastitis count. In the case of heifers, we can focus in on pneumonia, scours, and lameness. In this particular example on the screen, heifer 44900 has had 3 pneumonia health counts and 2 scour health counts. This might be an animal that you'd want to take a look at if you're trying to thin the ranks a little bit, possibly sell some heifers. If you're overcrowded, you might want to find the animals that have the high incident rate of pneumonia and scours and lameness. So these are the items that we can list in DHI Plus now for health counts: lame, mastitis, metritis, milk fever, pneumonia, retained placenta, and scours. We can also do an overall health count as a cow, health count in current lactation, health count as a heifer, health count in previous lactation, and health count string changes. Some additional options would be counting incidents in a specific lactation, like first lactation or second lactation, current lactation, or previous lactation. To find all of these health count mnemonics, go to your custom reports screen, click on the dictionary window, and click health from the drop down, and you will see a listing of all the health count mnemonics. They will start with the letters HC for health count. How do you set these up? Well, DHI Plus needs to know how you're recording your health events, and we do this by going to the cohort analysis and identifying the event labels in your recording of your health events. So go click on Analysis Reports and select Cohort Group Analysis. Once the cohort report loads, click on the Event Labels tab and you'll bring up the list of health events recorded in your herd. All of the events are summarized to the left under Recorded Events. And then in the middle, over on under the Event Label column, you will see how DHI Plus looks for these events. Milk fever, in this case, it's looking for the health event to start with MF or starts with milk space fever. And you can see the other examples listed there. It could be that you have a variation of ways that you've been recording these things, and if so, we can find them as long as you can help us define them here in this little table. When all the changes are complete and you've found all of the variations of possible health entries that you have, go ahead and click the Save Changes and Rerun Cohort Analysis button on the bottom. It'll be in green. The next step is to use the health counts in a custom report to rank or list them by health counts. First thing you'll do is create a health count custom report. In this case, we're going to do one for heifers with pneumonia. Click the New button in the Custom Reports on the toolbar. Enter the report title, in this case, Health Counts Pneumonia Heifers. Click OK. Add the columns to the report that you want to see. Most likely you'll want to see the control number, CTL, and the heifer indicator, CTLH. Type in the word health in the dictionary and it will list all of the items that come up under health. Once you find these, you can click and drag and drop those columns over to your report or double click on them and they will be added. The next thing you'll need to do is set up the selection logic for the report to know how to find the animals. In this case, we're going to scroll down until we find the health count pneumonia mnemonic, and that's HCPNEU. You can double click that to add it over or click and drag it, and then you will set your selection logic for the report to look for these animals. In this case, we're going to tell the report to only look for heifers, so the first line will say CTLH equal to H. The next line down, status less than 6, indicates that we'll only find live animals. Now you could change this to include sold or dead animals as well by changing your status accordingly. The next key piece here is to tell it that the health count pneumonia has to be greater than or equal to 1. So that third line says HCPNEU GE1. We can sort by this as well to get them high to low. So on your sort by button, choose the health count pneumonia mnemonic and in the order choose descending. Click the green run arrow to run the report and you will get a listing of all of the animals in your herd, all the heifers that have a pneumonia health count. You can see some of the examples here. I have a cow display of heifer 12876, and you can see in her health on October 31st, 2019, she was recorded with an incident of pneumonia. In my selection logic, I have the HCPNEU greater than or equal to 1, and I'm sorting that high to low so I can get them with the most counts at the top down. Here is a similar report for health counts for scours in heifers. I'm just changing the mnemonic for health count pneumonia to health count scours, which is HCSCRS, and we'd be able to find all of the heifers that have multiple incidents of scours. You can find the new DHI Plus health counts in the most recent version of DHI Plus 6.04.2 or higher. You can download that version from our website at ameliacor.com/downloads, and if you need a little bit of help setting that up or getting that update installed for DHI Plus, please feel free to call our support line 800-453-9400 extension 6704 or email us at dhiplus@ameliacor.com.